Simply connect your USB mouse and keyboard and your monitor with a VGA port, then connect the computers with the included cabling, and you're done. This KVM switch supports HD resolutions of up to 2048 by 1536 pixels. Alternate between computers using the convenient toggle switch on the device's front face or use predefined hotkey commands on a Windows computer.
Staying the same, so I will welcome the change and stretch myself.
These devices set themselves apart by providing true Ultra HD resolution at the maximum 60 Hz refresh rate with any 4K compatible monitor. This resolution is quickly becoming the standard in display technology and provides a premium visual experience for the user. There's no delay in switching between inputs, and their EDID technology maintains the correct resolutions to keep your desktop icons right where you left them. The switches can also receive and transmit audio through the HDMI connections. Alternatively, the user can access their external sound system through the audio mini jack in order to get premium audio quality. Each unit comes with its own remote control, power supply, and 2 high-quality KVM cables. These KVM cables are capable of transmitting 18 gigabits per second, which allows the full Ultra HD experience with a 4K capable monitor. For ease of use, the cables have both an HDMI and USB end, but can be used independently of each other. TESmart KVMs do not require software to operate, and installation is plug and play. Simply plug in one end of the KVM cables to each of your computers, plug in any gaming console that you might want to use, or even any HDMI streaming device such as the Amazon Fire TV, shown here. Then plug in your mouse and keyboard, and finally your output video and the included power supply. If you have any trouble with multimedia functions on your keyboard and mouse, please use the USB 2.0 port either directly or through a powered USB hub.
Stretch myself day to day, 'cause we're entitled to change.